Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at how to use Exalate scripting in order to send some related information from ServiceNow incident to the Jira side. So specifically what we're going to look at today is how to fetch the related SLA records from within a ServiceNow incident and send them over using Exalate to the Jira side. And on the Jira side, we're going to be populating them in the user-defined field. So let's begin by creating a simple incident. And I'm going to keep it to the bare minimum because I don't need anything special. So I'm just going to create it, and once it's created, I'm going to send it over to the other end. So let me exhalate it. And now we're just going to wait a few seconds for this to be processed on the other end. Right, so the incident has been created on the Jira side. Let's just open it quickly. So yeah, so my summary and description came over. There's no information within this user-defined SLA info field. So let's fix that now. So within my incident, right now I do not have any related SLA records. So I'm just going to trigger that. Right, so changing the priority to 2 automatically triggers an SLA record. And I'm just going to quickly go and look at it. So yeah, so this is the SLA which is added, the priority 2 resolution 8-hour SLA. And yeah, so this should now be sent over to the Jira side. Let's take a look. Right, so as you can see, the SLA info has popped up. I've got the priority 2 resolution, the SLA name. I picked up the breach time, and I picked up the status of the SLA itself, right? Let's do something further. Let's add another SLA to it. So if I assign the ticket to myself specifically, I've created a trigger for this to add an SLA record. So once I do that, you'll now have 2 records on the incident. So the priority 2 resolution was already there, and now I've got the Syed SLA there as well. So these 2 would now be fetched by Exalate, sent over to the Jira end, and hopefully populated within my user-defined SLA info field. So yeah, as you can see, so the second SLA came in as well. The status is in progress, and same with the first one. And yeah, so now you've got the sync there. I'm just going to quickly show you something. If I unassign the ticket from myself, so that would essentially cancel the SLA. The Syed SLA status should now be in cancel state because I simply unassigned the ticket from myself. So this is in cancel state. This state should update on the Jira side as well. So we'll just give it a few seconds to carry over. So essentially, you can pick up any information within the SLA record and send it over via Exalate to the other end. On the Jira side, you're free to populate it wherever you want. I've just used a free text field in order to use that. So as you saw that the status has been cancelled. How this happens under the hood is that on the sending side, you need to run an API query in order to fetch the related SLA records. So the first piece of the puzzle is to fetch the SLA records for that particular incident. So once you do that, you can pick up the breach time, you can pick up the status, you can pick up the SLA value, right? If you want to pick up the actual SLA name, you need to run another API query to the contract SLA table, and from there you can get the actual name of the SLA record. And yeah, package all this within an object and send it over to the other side. But because you can have more than one SLAs, the idea is to use an array in order to populate all the SLA objects, send them over to the other side. Now the job on the other side becomes really easy because all you need to do is essentially pick up, basically start unraveling that array which comes in. So just run a loop and pick all the objects from there. So hope you guys enjoyed this and was helpful for you.